Okay, what we are discussing that the types of the mirror. There are two types of the mirror: plane mirrors and spherical mirrors. So here the second type, that is the spherical mirror. So here we write that spherical mirror, and spherical mirror have two types: concave mirror and convex mirror. So here we write that the spherical mirror have two types. First type is the concave mirror, and second type, that is the convex mirror. So first we discuss about the what is a plane mirror. A plane mirror is a plain glass surface with one surface is polished, is a flat surface that reflect light. So this is a plane mirror. Here we first write the definition of a plane mirror. What is a plane mirror? Here we write that plane mirror. A plane mirror is a plain glass surface. A plane mirror is a plain glass surface with one face is polished, with one face polished. Second definition, we can write it about a plane mirror. A plane mirror is a flat surface that reflects light. So here we write that a plane mirror is a flat surface. A plane mirror is a flat surface that reflect light. Now we discuss the characteristics of the image formed by the plane mirror. Here we discuss the four properties of the image formed by the plane mirror. Okay. Okay, I see that some of you are watching live. Don't be shy. Drop a hello in the chat so I can greet you by name. Please drop a message in the comment so I can greet you by a name. Don't be shy if you are watching me on live. Okay, now we discuss the characteristic of the image formed by the plane mirror. First, we discuss the virtual image. Virtual image, you cannot catch the image on the screen because it is not real. It's look like it's behind the mirror. This is called the virtual image. Whenever the image is formed behind the mirror, which that image is called the virtual image. So here we write that what is the virtual image? You cannot catch the image on a screen because it is not real, because it is not real. It look like it is behind the mirror. This is called the virtual image. This is called virtual image. So here we discuss the definition of the virtual image. When the virtual image is formed, it is formed behind the mirror. It is not real. Second characteristic of we discussed about the image that is formed by the plane mirror, that is the erect. Erect means straight up. The image is upright or straight up. That image is called erect image. So here we write that erect image. What is the erect image? The image is upright or straight up. The image is upright or straight up. It is called the erect image. Second type of the image that we discussed, that is the laterally inverted. Laterally inverted So when the image is laterally inverted, the left and right side are reversed. Left side of the image appear as the right side and vice versa. So here we write that the left and right side, the left and right side are reverse. Left side of the image appeared as right side and vice versa. So here we discuss the three type of the image that is formed by the plane mirror. First we discuss the virtual image. When the image is formed behind the mirror, it is called the virtual image. Second is the erect image. When the image is formed upright or straight up, that is called the erect image. And literally inverted mean the left and right side of the image are left and right side of the object are reversed when we see in the image on the mirror. The left side of the image appear as the right side and vice versa. Now we discuss about the size of the image that is formed by the plane mirror. So here we also write the characteristic of image characteristic of image formed by plane mirror. So here we discussed about the size and distance of the image that is formed behind the plane mirror. Now we discuss about the size of the image. Size of image. The image is exactly same size as the object. The image that is formed behind the mirror is same size as the size of the object. So here we write that the image is exactly the same size as the object. So we can write that the size of the image is equal to the size of the object. So here we write that size of image that is equal to the size of the object. Now we discuss the last property of the image formed by the plane mirror. That the last property of the image that formed by the mirror is the same distance behind the mirror. If the distance of an object formed by a plane mirror is equal to the distance of its image from the plane mirror. So here we discuss the same distance behind the mirror the distance of an object from a plane mirror is equal to the distance of an image from the plane mirror. So here we write that the distance of an object from a plane mirror is equal to distance of its image from the plane mirror. So here we discuss the 5 properties of the image that is formed by the plane mirror. First we discuss about the virtual image. Second we discuss about the erect image. Third is literally inverted. Fourth one, that is the size of image. And fifth one, that is the same distance behind the mirror. That all are the properties of the image formed by the plane mirror. When we use the plane mirror, image is always formed behind the mirror, then it is called the virtual image. an image that is form is upright or straight up, then it is called the erect image. Third property that we discussed, that is the laterally inverted. Laterally inverted means that the left and right sides are reversed. It means that left side of the image appear as right side and vice versa. So then we discuss about the size of the image. The image is exactly the same size as the size of the object, and it is called the same size of the image is equal to size of the object. Then we discuss about the distance of the object from the mirror, and distance of the object from the mirror. Distance of the image from the mirror, both are equal. So that are the 5 properties of the plane mirror that today we discuss. So last topic is that is the uses of the plane mirror, where we can use the plane mirror. So here we discuss about the uses of plane mirrors. First we discuss the use of the plane mirror. It is used in looking glass. So here we write that it is used it is used in looking glass. Second, we can use the plane mirror in the periscope and kaleidoscope. It is used in periscope and kaleidoscope. Now, what is the periscope? It is an instrument in which the plane mirror are used. That plane mirror are used that fold the light so that the image of an object can be brought down a lower level so that we can see the image in a lower level. So I will write that what is a periscope? Periscope is an instrument in which plane mirror are used, to fold light so that the image of an object can be brought down to lower level. That is all. We discuss the uses of the plane mirror. First we discuss about the definition of the plane mirror, then we discuss the 5 properties of the plane mirror, and last one we discuss the uses of the plane mirror.